Yuli, look at this sweater. How do you think of it?
It's beautiful. You like Zara and I do too. This brand is known as affordable fashion. The style is as good as others, but the price is far lower than other similar products.
Yes, it is. Zara serves good quality at low price thanks to its fast and efficient global supply channel system, which integrates design, production, distribution, and sales. Zara is able to respond to the market quickly, and its proper supply channel strategies help to achieve such a big advantages.
What are the SCM strategies?
I have no idea about it. Let's ask our teacher to explain it.
Love life, love e-commerce. Welcome to this e-commerce course. The topic of this lecture is supply chain management strategy. In this section, I will explain the impact of e-commerce on SCM, quick response strategy, efficient customer response strategy, and the comparison between them. Since the 1990s, with the development of information technology, e-commerce has had a considerable impact on business and consumers. It establishes new customer relationships based on information flow. Business could collect consumers' data via a global network and use data analysis to understand consumers. Moreover, with e-commerce, consumers are able to have a wide range of products and services. This has given greater freedom to consumers by ensuring that they can get what they want despite their geographical location. E-commerce has had a significant impact on the efficiency of business. Partners explain transaction data, schedules, requests, and market information over secure networks. The ability to share information on market changes ensures that the entire supply chain can respond effectively, reducing risk, eliminating waste, and realizing added value. Quick response is a management concept created to increase consumer satisfaction and survive increasing competition from new competitors. It tends to shorten the lead time from receiving an order to delivery of the products and increase the cash flow. The idea of quick response was originated in Japan in 1980s. The basic presumption was that time can be used as a tool of sustainable competitive advantage. The idea was to compress the time used in developing, manufacturing, marketing, and developing the products. It was developed for the US textile industry to survive the global competition with low-cost foreign companies. Since then, it has found its applications in a wide range of industries. QR uses information technology, flexible processes, and organizational structures to deliver a wide range of products and services that meet specific needs of customers on a mass scale, obviously in right time. QR is based on a combination of the just-in-time system and IT systems, such as electronic point of sale, electronic data interchange, computer-aided design, and computer-aided manufacturing to enable the supply chain to become more efficient. However, as to quick response, it is not as simple as fast operational activities. In fact, it is realized through automatic collection and transmission of information, intelligent replenishment, joint product management and comprehensive application of a retail space management system. With the adoption of these solutions, the timely market demand information could be collected and analyzed. As a result, the retailers could better match the supply with demand and improve supply chain efficiency. The concept of efficient consumer response was introduced by the U.S. processed food distribution industry in 1992, aiming to recover the competitive strength for surviving increasing competition from new competitors of discounters in the U.S. By aiming to improve the efficiency of a supply chain as a whole beyond the wall of retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers, they can consequently gain large profits than each of them pursuing their own business goals. Companies who compose the appliance can reduce the opportunity loss, inventory level, and entire cost, as well as increase profits by sharing the purpose. The efficient consumer response is a supply chain management tool that attempts to optimize supply chain performance by coordinating the collaborative efforts of trade associations. Cost reduction for efficient customer response is not simply cutting costs. It is designed to reduce the retailer's lead time for receiving merchandise, which then lower a retailer's inventory investment, improves customer service levels, and reduces logistic expense. ECR requires the sharing of the retailer's sales and advertising information with the supplier, which is used to generate orders shipped from the supplier based upon customer demand. All these to achieve are based on the integrated application of information systems, logistics systems, marketing management, and organizational innovation. In fact, QR strategy and ECR strategy have their respective focus, but they also have some in common. Both QR and ECR suggested by Kurt Simon Associates, a U.S. consulting firm. They contain the same concept as constraint-based supply chain management, which aims to increase the speed of product flow, shorten lead times, and improve throughput. All these to achieve based on the close relationship among suppliers and sellers, and also IT support. The difference between the two strategies is the objectives and the application fields. From the perspective of objectives, QR is a rapid response to demand, and the efficient customer response is to improve product flow by minimizing inventory. From the perspective of the application industry, QR mainly refers to the time-sensitive commodity retail industry, like the fashion industry. ECR is mainly for the grocery industry, because the food and the grocery industry pursue low cost. Supply chain management is a methodology for increasing the speed of product flow across companies and finally increasing cash flow to strengthen the survival power as industry bodies. Although QR and ECR have different names, they all have the motive of increasing consumer satisfaction in common. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.